In today's video, I will be showing you how to find the notification settings on your account on Rednote on your account easy and quickly. So first of all, you have to enter the application. As you see now, you are on the home page. So go to these three lines right here. Here you will find the settings. Click on it, and as you see here, you will find the notification settings. As you see here, you can manage it as you want. You can manage the engagement notifications, you can manage the chat notifications, the content notifications, and also you can find the store notifications here. So that's how to find the notification settings and manage it easy and quickly. So that's it. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.